how to scrape information like this with AI without stressing about paying somebody to do it or using single Google typing. Yeah, that's it. We come here now to their phone numbers. You see, all their phone numbers are right here. You see, all their phone numbers are right here. What you can do now is you can go to WhatsApp and text each of these restaurants individually and tell them you're going to create for them an automated WhatsApp agent. You know, it's like a WhatsApp employee that never sleeps, that never gets tired, that never rests, but knows every single information about their company. You know, and you automate it and do that. So next, how to do leads generation with AI. I mean, n8n AI has make work so easy. Like everything right now is leading to automation, and if you actually master this skill, it can actually help you. And one of the skills actually you can sell doing this is you do WhatsApp automation for businesses, like restaurants, spas. These people usually only reply. You know, human beings have feelings. What I'm trying to say basically is you can feed the agent with information about the business, and anytime the person texts the agent, it will chat to them like a normal person and give them all the information they need to know about the company, like in a normal way, answering the questions and all of that. So for me, there are two lead workflows that you can possibly create. One is using the Telegram, the other one is using the normal in-app. So I'm going to use the in-app by Gold, Julian Gold, yeah. It's in the AI Success Labs on school. So as you can see here, he has all of this about AI. This is where actually I started learning AI. Even I created my own ChatGPT version of ChatGPT. I created my own voice agent. So the one we're going to create is right in the corner here. Let's look for it. Once it's downloaded, you come back. So after that, you can actually watch the whole video if you don't know how to do it. You can watch the whole video on how to set it up. You see, it will show you everything. So, but for me, it's very simple. After I downloaded it, I need to just come back now to n8n and import it. This is the beauty of this. You don't have to create everything from scratch. Amplify. Okay, I already have it here, so I'm just going to move it closer. Amplify. You go to Amplify and create an account. You know, on the website, you create an account. You should follow. It will be easier for you to do. After creating an account, you come to Google Scraper. Scraper agent. You need another scraper agent. So after that, what do you want to scrape? You have to know what you want to scrape, you know. So the first thing is, after doing that, you open here. The URL already is going to be there alone, and then you don't need to change a lot of things. You need to change this. So after looking for Google Maps scraper in the Amplify console, search what do you want to scrape. What do you want to scrape? For example, I want to scrape restaurants. Let's go to look for restaurants. Restaurants, Nairobi, Kenya. Restaurants, Nairobi, Kenya is going to scrape 50 of them. After putting in your search query here, come to the JSON and you copy all of this. Copy all of this. Copy like that. Come back to the agent and you paste it here. Paste it here. Yeah. Paste it there like that. After you paste it like that, next is we are going to get the URL. To get the URL, you have to come to API endpoints, look for run actor, you copy that run actor, copy that, and you paste it here. That's the first step, you know. So as you can see, it's successful. That step is well. Mostly you run them separate to see if the workflow was a success. Next, we come now to the result. You also come back now to get this URL because that's what is missing. So you have to come back to the API again, you know, same way, just API endpoints, come down to where it says get last run database items, because you did the run, so you just copy that and you paste it here. And you're fine to get you the information. You see, it's executing the whole workflow. So we did click to test, it got the results, and then I was waiting to compile the list, and then I was going to send it here, you know. And then finally now it's setting up the way it's going to paste the information. So you connect with the Google Sheets account, so easy to follow. And then you have to choose from your sheets what you want to use, which flow you want to use. So for me, I'm going to get this. I did a scraping before, as you can see. I have a real estate agent in Dubai, did this in New York. So this, I'm just going to duplicate it, copy, restaurants, Nairobi. Like a copy, just want to delete the content that is here already. Restaurants Nairobi. Yeah, so you have an empty table. Now we're going to use that table in our flow. So come here, restaurants Nairobi. I see it has found it, and then sheet one, and then you just map automatically, because we already have the titles on top. Or you can map manually. That means you have to type out everything. So that is done now. You see, it has already even sent them here. See, restaurants in Nairobi, Sunways Coffee Restaurant, you know, with information. So now all we just have to do is execute the workflow, and then it's done, man. You're going to get all the restaurants that you need, you know. And now we're going to see if it actually worked. Check it out. I'm going to go back to the Google Sheets. As you can see, it's still loading. Right now, you see our Google Sheets is empty here, but it's still loading here. Give it a second. Now, boom. That's it. Has it gone? Let's see if it worked. Refresh this. Okay. Come here. Execute. Pin and test. Has it gone? Let's check. Let's confirm. Boom. There you go. See? You have all the restaurants, title, see CJ's, Waterfront, Current, Crafts Chameleon. Yeah, all these restaurants. You see Bush Cayenne Restaurant, P&J Grill, and it has everything, you know, the neighborhood, where it's located, restaurant grill, Eritrean, even tells you fine family restaurant, Italian, fine dining. Like it tells you, gives you the information of the neighborhood where it's located. But for me, what I'm looking for here, why I scrape this information, is just not to have it as a fancy list like this, or to, okay, maybe sometimes to go here there, but it's business, you know. So after scraping these restaurants,